Hello and welcome to a short tutorial on basic content orientation and downloading. Today we'll briefly go over how the content divides into structures, using the search bar, downloading photos, reading documents directly in BrandCloud, and downloading using zip. We will start with how the content divides into structures. There are two types in BrandCloud: tree structure and tile structure. The tree one can be found on the left side of the page, where you can expand the folders in this way and quickly get to any necessary document. The tile structure starts here on the main page, where we can click through the tiles in this way to get to any needed document. Another way to find the content we need is to use the search bar, where we can enter the name of the document or any keyword found in the document, or even the name of the uploaded file. Now let's discuss how photo downloading works. You can download photos in different sizes, which are original, medium, and small. The difference is the quality of the resolution. You can click to read PDF, DOCX, and XLSX files directly in your BrandCloud. You can also do basic editing, sign the document if needed, and so on. The last thing we'll discuss today is that you can download the content of the entire page at once as a zip document. Just go to the document you need, and on the right side of the page you will find the Download as Zip button. Clicking it will immediately download the content as a zip file. I hope this tutorial has helped you with the basic content orientation and downloading.